Planned for September 2025, the iPhone 17 models could feature larger display sizes, promotion across the lineup, Wi-Fi 7, and more. We're still early in the iPhone 16 release cycle, but rumors about the iPhone 17 models slated for 2025 have already started circulating. 2025 could bring one of the biggest updates to the iPhone's design that we've seen since the 2017 iPhone X, with Apple rumored to be planning for an all-new iPhone 17 Slim that has a much thinner design, a new display size, a different look for the camera, and more. We are expecting 4 total models in 2025: the iPhone 17, the iPhone 17 Pro, the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and the new iPhone 17 Slim or Air. There will be no iPhone 17 Plus, with Apple doing away with the Plus lineup. The slimmed-down iPhone 17 won't be a replacement for the iPhone 17 Plus, instead making a debut as a new device in the lineup. Rumors about exactly what we can expect from the new iPhone are mixed at this time, but we can count on a thinner iPhone 17 with a display that's around 6.6 inches. It has been likened to a MacBook Air, with the iPhone 17 Pro serving as the MacBook Pro in the analogy. Display sizes: iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max will have 6.3-inch and 6.9-inch display sizes. The iPhone 17 Slim will come in right in the middle of those two devices in terms of size. Apple may also increase the overall size of the standard iPhone 17. The iPhone 17 will be a high-end device that's even more expensive than the iPhone 17 Pro Max. One rumor says it will have a narrower dynamic island and a centered camera, while another says it will include a single-lens rear camera and a standard dynamic island. All 4 iPhones released in 2025 are expected to be updated with promotion display technology, with a 120Hz maximum refresh rate for smoother scrolling and video content. Apple is said to be working on an updated 24-megapixel front-facing camera with a 6-element lens, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max could include an upgraded 48-megapixel telephoto camera, which would be an improvement over the current 12-megapixel sensor. At least one iPhone 17 model next year will get an Apple-designed Wi-Fi 7 chip, rather than a chip manufactured by Broadcom. Coming to the design of the iPhone 17 Slim, it is expected to fall somewhere between the 6.1-inch with a titanium aluminum frame, promotion, and always-on. The 120Hz promotion refresh rate has been limited to the Pro versions of the iPhone for several years, but in 2025 it could expand to the entire iPhone lineup. The iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max are expected to include an A19 Pro chip, while the iPhone 17 and the iPhone 17 Slim could have the standard A19 chip. The higher-end iPhone 17 models could include 12 GB of RAM, while the standard iPhone 17 model is expected to have 8 GB. 12 GB of RAM would be a 4 GB increase over the iPhone 15 Pro models, while 8 GB of RAM would be a 2 GB increase over the standard iPhone 15 models. All iPhone 17 models might have the new, easier-to-remove adhesive, which makes battery replacement simpler. The iPhone 17 models are expected to come out in September